In the West, women may consider themselves equal to men. But for many women in the developing world, life promises domestic violence and legal discrimination. From Africa to Asia, women are suffering countless of human rights violations just because they're women. The cause? Tradition, religion, and plain old prejudice.
Mangalore, January 2009. Young men and women were beaten out of pubs across the city by an organization that felt that women should not be allowed to drink or go to pubs. This is just a fraction of a big picture in India, the Indian societal mindset of a subordinate status of women, a mindset that is a remnant of an age-old belief and has led to the present state of insensitivity towards the Indian women. From female feticide to domestic violence, much of the gender violence is considered normal and enjoys social sanction. Deaths of women are extreme outcome of ill treatment, psychological abuse, or physical violence suffered by the women. But domestic violence happens on a more regular basis in the form of psychological or physical abuse, most of it sadly going unreported.
Don't want to report it.
No one wants to talk about it.
Nobody wants to tell people that, this is what happened in my family. It's a stigma, and the people who do it naturally are trying to hide it because it's a crime by law and they can be punished, so they don't want it to be known. The girl's parents, the girl's family don't want it to be known because they think it's a stigma for the other girls who are in the family. How will they get married and what will happen to them? And that's the thing which keeps it hidden.
In 2007, nearly 8,000 Indian women filed legal cases for domestic violence, while the reports say that 45% of Indian women are subjected to these acts of crime. The disparity talks for itself, the major reasons for this being dowry and illiteracy, besides the inability of Indian judicial system to provide quick and reliable verdicts. Here's what the few residents living in that locality had to say.
ये एरिया इतना गंदा है। कोई इंसान, कोई लड़की आई, वो घर के टेंशन, कोई माँ ना हो तो कमाने जाए, पैसा मिले ना मिले, घर की टेंशन में। हाँ, कमानी ना मिले ना, काम करने जाए तो कमानी ना मिले, उसकी टेंशन में मर गए। ऐसा हम कोई काम करके आए, पर घर में पैसा कम पड़े, ज्यादा काम करे, घर पे आके टेंशन ले तो अटैक आ गया। और एक इंसान था तो जो चाय की लारी चला था, बोला कि मेरे आज चाय के पैसे नहीं है, घर पे जाकर सोच करता, रात को वो भी ऑफ हो गया। यहाँ पे आके तो कुछ ना बोलो, इतनी टेंशन आ गई। घर पे सिलाई का करती हूँ, जो ये किसी के फटेले कपड़े न सब आते हैं वो सीते। मैं अभी ये CFD की संस्था में मोबाइल रिपेयरिंग का क्लास चल रहा है, उसमें ज्वाइन।
आप लोग वोट देने जाते हैं?
नहीं, यहाँ पे रहना है तब से वोट बंद कर दिया। कार्ड से चुटनी कार्ड तो है हमारा, जो हम दाने की बुरान पहले देते थे, वहाँ का है, यहाँ का नहीं है। उन लोगों ने बोला तुम्हारे यहाँ का बनवाना पड़ेगा। हमने बोला हमारी पूरी सुविधा नहीं आएगी तब तक नहीं बनवाना, सुविधा तो देनी चाहिए हमको। वोटिंग वाले ने क्या किया पता है, वो उसको मैंने बोला दूसरे वाले वोट देना, हमारे मकान गिर रहा है, तो हमको मुद्दत दी थी कितने दिनों की, 7 दिन की। हमारा मकान गिरा दिया फक्त 5 दिन।
तो धमाल में भी हैरान हो गए, मकान जल गया था,
तो धमाल से छूटे तो मकान गिरा जी, कुछ अच्छा चलने लगा धंधा पानी।
We as a society can educate women about their rights and government welfare programs that can assist them. We can help institutions like Nari Adalat to collaborate with other such institutions to increase their reach and effectiveness. We can help them identify and monitor most vulnerable families to prevent potential violence. We can also increase awareness about such organizations through local and national media.